Hey, Daniel here. This video is all about grain in the video and how to get rid of it. It can be very annoying when we are shooting video and just after we get back to our computer and see that the footage is grainy and does not looking good. That happened to me when I was shooting star time lapse. Grain pops up because of numerous reasons. It can be because of poor technique while shooting video, like choosing wrong settings or shooting in low light conditions with high ISO or low quality cameras. Now let's try to fix it. I will try to explain two methods, one using Adobe Premiere Pro, other one in Adobe After Effects without any kind of third-party plugins. In Adobe Premiere Pro there is an effect called median. Though this effect is not for removing grain from a video, but in those cases when you don't want to jump between Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro, it might help. I really recommend to use this effect with a mask, and it is especially good when not the whole video is grainy. Try to mask the darkest areas of the video and this effect will add a slight blur while hiding the grain. It can be very helpful to pay attention to the main subject of the video while removing grain distraction. For my case it's not going to work because I need to remove grain for the whole video. Second option is Adobe After Effects. We can simply right click on our clip and choose Replace with Adobe After Effects Composition, or simply import grainy video to Adobe After Effects. Once we have our footage in Adobe After Effects, let's apply Removing Grain effect. First of all, preview region is a white square in the middle of the frame to see how the video looks like after applying Remove Grain effect. Let's drag it to the most grainy place of the footage, though I would like to remove grain for the whole video and it doesn't matter for me where to put it. In order to see better, we can increase the size of the square. Now, noise reduction settings. Try to play with noise reduction, but don't overdo it because the footage will not look good. For me worked 1.2 and I've made 4 passes. Passes means how many times Adobe After Effects will go through all the pixels to find and remove grain. Then is fine tuning. Personally I left it as it is, but you can try to play with the settings here in order to make your footage to look better. Now, unsharp mask. For me it looks like the most important setting. I've made amount to 2, radius to 1 and threshold to 1. By increasing amount all the lights get brighter, that's good, but in order to not make it much, increase the threshold. I made it to 1 and the clip looks fantastic. Just try to play with the settings here and you will get fantastic results. Every clip is unique, that's why the settings are unique for every clip. Thank you so much for watching and as always, see you in the next video.